Yes.
This is the first spoon. Here. What is that? This is going to take forever.
She's smiling. Oh my gosh.
This is not good. Oh. Sweetheart. Come here.
You almost got it. You almost got it, sweetie. Keep going. Figure out how to figure out how to get it back there. Figure out how to get it back there.
Come on, honey. You gotta swallow.
Figure out how to get it back there. You can do it.
Nope. Wrong way with your tongue.
You can do it. She's like, what in the hell?
Come on. Good job, honey. Gotcha. 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 Come on. Use your tongue. Use your tongue. Yeah. Yeah. You can't even tell you're smiling. Your face is so messy. Good job, honey. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's like 2 spoonfuls.
Oh my goodness.
You're a big girl. You're a big girl.
Oh my goodness.
Me.
Yes, she is.
Here, honey. Good girl. I know. This is what big girls do. They eat the food they spit out. Is that a different taste?
I don't hate the taste. I hate the consistency.
Do you like the consistency, honey? That's different, huh? We've never had this. Ready? Come on, bobblehead. Oh. 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 I don't know.